Do you think GST is one act? See, from the day one when the GST was implemented, from the day one government is saying that Amitabh Bachchan is coming over there and saying that one nation, one tax, one nation, one tax, one market. Do you think GST is only one act? What is the legislature behind GST? So as far as GST includes CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax, CGST Act, and the next IGST Act, Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act, next GST Act, and next Union Territory Goods and Services Tax Act. I think there is a compensation of cess also. It's cess act is just noting a lot. So CGST Act is one, and IGST Act is also one. Now after that, 31 state goods and services tax acts. Yeah, India's consists. Acha, why India having only 29 states? Why I mentioned 31 means yes, out of, see, India consists of 29 states and 7 UTs. Out of these 7 UTs, one is Delhi and one is Puducherry. Both are having state legislature. So that's the reason 29 states, regular states plus Delhi and the Puducherry. So total 31 SGST acts out of 7 already took out here. So the remaining 5 Union Territory Goods and Services Tax Acts. So GST, you don't think GST is only one tax or one act. So GST includes one CGST Act, one IGST Act, 31 SGST Acts, and again 5 UTGST Acts, plus one competition cess also is there. You don't think about all those things. So this is the GST classification. Central Goods and Services Tax, Integrated Goods and Services Tax, 31 State Goods and Services Tax Acts, and next again 5 Union Territory Goods and Services Tax Acts. So these are the GST Acts. So don't think GST is one act or one tax.